If you tear the paper off the drinks bottles, you're sexually frustrated. People who swear a lot, tends to be more loyal, upfront and honest with friends. You can only remember 3 to 4 things at a time. People fascinated with serial killers, are better conversationalists. Chocolate and shopping, are more addictive than LSD and steroids. Online dating and online shopping, follows the same psychological principles. Good liars, are better at detecting lies of others. The more you think of someone, the more you are likely to fall in love with that person. Narcissists are more likely to have casual sex, for displaying authority, not passion. Acting as though you own an item, makes you more probable to buying it. You imagine objects from above and tilted. Good morning, and good night text messages, activate the part of the brain responsible for happiness. When you're single, all you see are happy couples, and when you're not, you find happy singles. People look more attractive, when they speak about the things they are really interested in. When you hold the hand of a loved one, you feel less pain, less fear, and you worry less. Yawning is more contagious, among people who are emotionally close. Your brain makes you remember bad news more than good. It takes 5 positive things to outweigh 1 negative thing. Beginnings and ends, are easier to remember than middles. Some people forget your name the first time. This is true for mostly men. Our brain will always find a problem. Have you ever wondered why when one problem resolves, another one takes its place? It's not that the world that is against you, it's your brain. Listening to high-frequency music makes you feel calm, relaxed, and happy. The happier we are, the less sleep we require. You automatically second-guess yourself, when other people disagree. Too many options or choices can become paralyzing and hence, distract you from taking decisions. Overthinking isn't so bad, when you end up choosing a thought. Marrying your best friend eliminates the risk of divorce by over 70%, and this marriage is more likely to last a lifetime. Power makes people care less about others. Money can be changed, but so does people. Money can change some people. Women who have mostly male friends, stay in a good mood more often. Women generally prefer men with deep husky voices, because they seem more confident and less aggressive. The self is a representation of the soul. Our personality changes, as we self-actualize. Self-actualization is an ongoing process. We base our needs on a hierarchy. You only want something, after you see someone else wanting it. Our understanding of personality is skewed, and personality is more than behaviors. Emotions are powerful, that it could make the rain fall. We are our truest selves, when feeling emotional. Sometimes people who want to deceive you, tend to be more social. Your social roles, will influence your personality. People compromise themselves, to fulfill social roles. Compulsive behavior, is not a personality trait. Mental health issues, do not define one's personality.